Hey guys, so as you can see, I have a big suitcase here and a backpack and some new stuff that I want to pack in this. I'm going to actually do an unpack with me so I can repack video for you guys. I was hoping to do a packing video for you, but I kind of already have everything packed and I want to go through it to make sure that I have everything anyways. So I'm going to do that for you today. We are actually going to Cuba on Monday. So by the time you see this, it probably will be Friday, and we leave Monday to go to Cuba. So Kyle and I are taking Damien. That was part of his Christmas gift and why we bought him the Nintendo Switch, so that he can use it on the plane. As you can see, I do have a full-size suitcase here today, and I have never actually traveled with a full-size suitcase. I have only ever done carry-on. So this was a lot different packing. I felt a lot more freedom packing, and I feel like I didn't even fill this. And however, I am 5 pounds less the weight limit, and then by the time I add some of this stuff, it might be closer to the weight limit. But a lot of it is like my toiletries and stuff. I did bring full-size products this time around because it's going to be a check luggage anyways. So that bag I was going to use for my personal item on the plane. However, I'm not sure if I want to keep it or not. So I did get that for Christmas, and I might return it because I have something else in this stuff that I'm super excited to look at and figure out if I'm going to use that. So let's go through some stuff and we'll kind of reorganize, I guess. So let's open this puppy up. All right, so as you can see, it's fairly full, but there still is some space. And in here, I just have my beach bag that says Beach Please for my last Shein haul, and then a fanny pack crossbody purse. In here, I just threw them in here the other day. I just got 3 new bras because I needed bras badly, so I'm gonna bring those. And this is what I had all of my toiletries in, and this is hefty. And I actually took the shampoo, conditioner, sunscreen, and after sun gel out of this bag and put it in Kyle's bag. But I am hoping, I ordered this from Shein, and it's just like clear makeup cases, and I'm hoping that this will be nicer than this. So I'm hoping to switch that out. So I'll set that aside for now. I am bringing a mug or tumbler, and this is the one off of and it says Living a Positive Outlook on Life, which is our slogan, Lives, Reasons, Sanity. And this one's been used so much that it's wearing off a little bit. But all right, moving on, I have my beach blanket, of course. And in here, I have underwear, and I think I had 1 tank top in here. Now, I am going to be replacing underwear, all the underwear in here, with these ones because my underwear are just like so used and worn, and these are the type I use. Hopefully they fit, oh yeah, they'll fit, no problem. Anyways, they are the no seam underwear, and yeah, they're just super comfortable. So I'm going to be replacing those. This I think is a 7-pack. So I'm thankful that these came on time because I really wanted some new underwear. So I'll switch that out. And then moving on, I have other bras in here. So I have some things that is strapless. So these bras I bring just to wear with my strapless things. And then I have a comfortable bra and some other strapless, and 1 t-shirt in here. So now that I have this out, I can pack that into here. Okay, we have in here all my bathing suits. So you would have saw this one on my last Shein haul. Super excited to wear that. This is my favorite bathing suit to wear, which is my green one, and then a couple others. I'm hoping to live in swimsuits this week coming up and get a good tan. And then I have a couple sundresses underneath there. And I'm trying to be as comfortable as I can. I'm not gonna worry too much about like what I look like because we're going to be on a resort. This is my first time being on a resort, first time for Damien as well. Kyle has been to Cuba when he was younger with his mom and I believe his sister. But anyways, yeah, so he's been to a resort before, but he was, I think, 18 at the time, so this will be a new experience for him as well. And then because of my broken foot, I know I'll be wearing flats pretty much the whole time. I do have my boot off right now. It has been feeling very, very good. I will be bringing my boot with me though, because when I'm on it a long period of time, I really don't want to hurt my foot again. So I mainly wear my cast during the day, and then I take it off at night, and it's been really good. I am bringing one small heel shoe just in case. I probably won't wear it. I'm trying to remember what's in here. Oh yes, another pair of flat shoes, and then the sandals that are flat that I showed you in the last Shein video. So that's all these shoes that I'm bringing. And then in here I have another bathing suit and another bathing suit, a romper, and all of my like shirts. So that's that. Moving on to the next one. I have all of my shorts, and then another romper. And I really packed this loosely. I did not fill these bags very tight, and again, they still all fit like amazingly. So, and then this is basically like what I would wear to dinner. So I have a couple like jumpsuits and some nice black pants and a dress, a couple of dresses, and then another romper. So I'm going to throw these all back in here, and then I have 3 belts as well. So throw those back in. So there's that. We'll throw that back in. This can go back in, and see, it's already different. So moving on, I did get one dress. I think this is a dress, not a romper. And I'll show a picture of it because I'm not going to try it on. But it is a cool tie front dress. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to wear this style, but I'm going to give it a try and see what it looks like. But just the pattern was really pretty, very beachy. So we'll give that a try. And then this. So this is a cosmetics bag. This one I actually kind of wanted just for like weekend travel because it does open with a hook, which I just thought was nice, and it's all see-through so that you can see through it all. So this one I actually won't be taking with me. This I'm super stoked about. It's a footrest basically for the plane, and I'll be putting that on in my personal item, but you hook it onto the table tray and then you can put your feet on it. And I just find it super uncomfortable on the plane seats. So hopefully that will help a little bit. And then this one, this was supposed to be purple, I think, but I'm okay with black as well. So I do have a cords and electronics bag. However, I find it's just a little too small. So this one's a little bit bigger, and it's got lots of compartments for batteries and stuff, and then some straps. So that's what I'm going to be packing all of my electronics in, my cameras, my chargers, SD cards, and tripods hopefully in this as well. And then this, I fell in love with the color and the pattern of this. It's a romper, I think? Yes, no, dress. Dress. Anyways, I fell in love with the pattern and color of this. Anyways, I just thought it was really pretty and summery and nice for vacation, so I'm going to take that with me. I might save this for a different trip. We'll see. And then moving on, what I want to switch that backpack out for. I saw one similar to this in Winners, and I really loved it. However, I was not paying a lot of money for it. And I kind of searched the Shein website, and they had one that was very, very similar. It comes with this cute little bow tie keychain. I thought this was more of like a dusty pink, but when I went to go order it, I saw that it said khaki on it, which I mean is fine for me. But anyways, it comes with a long strap, and then it comes with like a shoulder type strap, and then also it comes with like a handbag strap. So this is the perfect size for a personal item, which I think is a little bit bigger than this, right? So I'll be able to actually fit my water bottle inside, and this will be nicer to take like my laptop on the plane and stuff like that. So I'm super excited to basically to fill this and see what I can actually fit in this. Yeah, so I'm going to switch out everything from this to this and put in my electronics bag into this as well. So that's that. And then the last thing, the reason why I'm doing this haul from Shein again is for Valentine's Day. And I didn't order much for myself for Valentine's Day. JDB will be in Mexico on Valentine's Day. However, I will be there shortly after. So I did order this. I thought it was cute as a night dress. And so you guys saw that I had a black night dress and a green night dress, and he did suggest that I look better in color. So we went with this pinky color, and it's kind of like got the strap at the front with a little heart. So I thought that was so cute for Valentine's Day. They have tons of options for Valentine's Day, obviously, lingerie and just like outfits and stuff. So if you're in the market for something for Valentine's Day, check it out, because they obviously have super cute things. So anyways, that is everything in my bag for Cuba, and I do have a bag packed. We're staying in a hotel the night before for Damien and I, and then also I have Damien's bag packed. So I'm gonna film a what's in Damien's bag right after this so that you can see. And yeah, I think we're pretty much ready to go. I have been like trying to gather things for like weeks now to make sure I have everything. It's a lot different packing, one, so much stuff, and two, packing for a child. He's pretty easy, but I'll show you in the next video. Make sure you go check out Shein. I love Shein, you guys know that. I'm always collaborating with them, and I really enjoy their product, and I genuinely love receiving their items. So thank you to Shein. I will have a discount code down below and on screen for you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we will see you next time. Bye guys.